In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hamburger menu in Wix mobile-friendly navigation. A clean, mobile-friendly menu helps visitors find what they need quickly without cluttering the screen. Wix makes this simple with a built-in hamburger menu, which is the familiar three-line icon that opens a tidy list of pages when tapped. We'll walk through 3 short actions to get it onto your site and positioned where people expect it. First, switch to mobile view in the Wix editor. This focuses the workspace on your mobile layout and keeps desktop design changes separate so you won't accidentally rearrange your site for larger screens. In mobile view, sections stack vertically and the canvas reflects how your site looks on phones. This context is important because spacing, tap targets, and visibility differ on smaller screens. As you move elements around in this view, you're tailoring the experience specifically for mobile visitors while preserving your desktop design. Next, click Add, then Menu, and choose Hamburger Menu. This drops a compact navigation element onto your mobile page. By default, it connects to your site's existing pages, so you don't need to rebuild your links. When visitors tap the icon, a menu panel opens with your pages listed in an easy-to-read format. It's designed for thumb-friendly interaction and automatically handles the open and close behavior, saving you the trouble of custom animations or complex settings. Finally, drag the hamburger menu to the top of your mobile page. Placing it at the top ensures it's immediately discoverable and consistent with user expectations. Many sites put the icon in the top right corner, while some brands prefer top left. Both are widely recognized, so choose the side that fits your layout and logo placement. Align it with the page edges so it looks intentional, keep a bit of breathing room from other elements, and make sure there's enough contrast for the icon to stand out against your background. Positioning it inside the header area helps it remain visible at the start of every page, contributing to a consistent navigation experience as visitors move through your site. And that's it. By switching to mobile view, adding the hamburger menu element, and positioning it at the top, you've created a streamlined, mobile-friendly navigation with just a few quick actions. This small change can make your site feel more polished, easier to use, and more familiar to mobile users who expect a simple tap to find their way around.